Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 14-inch round stretch canvas. My background color is going to be titanium white. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for all the support I have received. I truly appreciate it. And just want to let you know I love making videos and reading all of your comments and feedback about my art. So if you have any additional suggestions, please leave them in the comments. So I'm blowing my background out now, my titanium white. And I blow a thin layer across the entire canvas. And my titanium white is mixed with floetral, and then I thin it with water. I'm using my torch to burst all the bubbles. And then I'll lay out my colors. First color I'm going to be using is turquoise or teal. The next color is a green, which is a Jenkins green. This is a fluorescent pink. Dioxazine purple. That's my iridescent gold. And this is a nickel azo yellow. So if you notice lately, I've been using pretty much a variation of the same colors. I don't know, I've just been really enjoying the bright colors for the summer. So I'm going to add some titanium white around my colors. And that allows the cells that are formed to keep their integrity, basically. And also, when you blow it out, if you have enough base coat, the colors kind of glide over and they don't break up as much. So I'm blowing some of my background color over my colors, and then I will blow it out. Then I'm going to use my mini blower to blow some details in it and blow it out even further. And I'll either blow with my mouth after that, as well as use a straw. Now this piece gave me kind of like a landscape kind of vibe, or I thought of landscape and also Hawaiian flowers kind of vibe. So afterwards I went ahead and used a balloon to define it even more. So basically I just put a little bit of color down, and then I just bounced or smashed the balloon in the color to give it kind of like a pucker in the flowers. Everything was kind of centered. But then I realized that I had enough paint on the canvas already, so I just started not adding any additional color, just going ahead and smashing or putting pressure on the balloon into the canvas to make designs. So I hope you like this piece. Again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. And if you have any questions about it or my process, again, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.